Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming prerequisites. You need a Google account and the calendar accessible to the audience. Once done, open Google Calendar, choose the specific calendar, and go to Settings and Sharing. Make it public or grant specific viewer access so visitors can see events. Next, navigate to Integrate Calendar and copy the iframe embed code or the public URL. Do this now. It's the first actionable step that gets your site ready to display live events. Once you have the embed code, customize it. Change width, height, default view week, month, agenda, and color parameters so it matches your site style. Make sure to wrap the iframe in a responsive container or apply simple CSS so it scales on mobile. This prevents scroll bars and layout breaks. Then open your CMS or HTML file, paste the iframe into the page's HTML block or template where the calendar belongs, and save. After saving, refresh the page to verify To finish, consider advanced options. Use the Google Calendar API if you need event-level control, filters, or custom styling beyond the iframe. This requires API keys and OAuth setup. Once implemented, test the embedded calendar in multiple browsers and incognito to ensure permission and caching won't hide events. If the calendar doesn't appear, make sure the calendar is public or shared correctly, confirm the embed code is intact, and check site security like content security policy or mixed content blocking. Addressing those usually resolves most issues.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.